Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Etsy products to your Shopify store. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Shopify account, which of course I've done right here. Now, because this is a beginner's tutorial, I'm not going to assume that you know how to create a Shopify account. So I'm going to walk you through the process. The first thing that you have to do is to launch any browser of your choice. Interestingly, I'm actually using Chrome, so you can access Shopify using any browser of your choice. Now, from the top corner, which is the search bar, in there, type shopify.com and it's going to take you to the official website. In the official website, follow the specific on-screen prompts and instructions to create your account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great and exciting moment on Shopify. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's session. Pretty much simple: how to connect Etsy product to your Shopify store. So to get that done, let's head over to Etsy. So this is my Etsy site, as you can see, and of course, for you to transfer your product from Etsy to Shopify, then it means you need to get an Etsy store. So how do you create a store? Check the top right corner. You're going to find Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager for you to see if you've started the process of creating your store or not. So I'm opening that up. So now I have gone through the shop preferences and I'm actually here how you get paid. And then name your shop, I've done that. Stock your shop, I've done that. So how you get paid, that's where I am. Now, there are a lot of processes that you need to follow. Fill all of these out. And then once you're done, you can now click on it's going to take you to the next step, which is set up billing and then your shop security. So once you have set up your store, I cannot possibly set up my store right now because they're requesting it has to be in the US. So I can set up my store because it's not available to Nigerians. So it has to be like in the US and they're requesting really sensitive information and SSS, which I apparently do not have. But then if you want, go through all of the processes and until you're done so that you can get your store live on Etsy and then just stock your product. So I'll just like to let you know that one of the ways, okay, so I'm just going back to Etsy. So one of the ways that you can definitely transfer your product from Etsy to Shopify is that you have to download your product listing and your orders on Etsy and then take it to Shopify and then just import it there. All right, so like I said, if you head over to Shop Manager and you have your store set up already and you click on the Shop Manager, it's going to take you to your shop dashboard. And then right there in the dashboard, head over to settings. Once you've located settings, it's now going to take you to a page. Right there in the page, go ahead and click on download shop data. And once you click on download shop data, it's now going to take you to the listing where you can now download your listing as a CSV file and you can download your order as a CSV file. So once you've downloaded those two documents, you can now head over to Shopify. So this is Shopify. Now, go ahead and go to your Shopify App Store. All right, so you're going to have to head over to your Shopify App Store and just click on Shopify App Store. And then in your Shopify App Store, you have to install this widget for the store importer. So right here in your search bar, click on Store Importer. And once you click on Store Importer, install this widget. I recommend Migration Pro Store Importer. So click on that and then install. I have already installed it, so that's why it's in Open App. But if you have not installed it, it's going to show install. So click on install so that you can now install this and integrate this into your Shopify. So I'm in my Shopify and then left corner, I can click on apps. So I'm in apps and as you can see, this has already been integrated because I have already installed this Migration Pro. So remember, once you're done downloading your listing and your order on your Etsy store, all right, head over to the Shopify and then get over to launch your store importer application. And then some of the applications open right there in the Shopify app, but this one just takes you to specific, its unique page. So now it says start here, create new migration. So go ahead and click on start here, create new migration. So I'm going to click on create new migration. And then from here, all you need to do is to enter the source store. That's the source cart setup. So please select the current shopping cart you wish to migrate data from. All right, and of course, what would that be? That's going to be your Etsy store. So go to your Etsy. I don't have a store on Etsy, but I just showed you the process through which you can create a store. So once you're done creating your store, you'll be able to find your store URL on Etsy. Once you get your store URL, come over here and click on and then enter your store URL for ST here in this store, in this source cart setup. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down, and then here you're going to see target cart setup. So the target is please select the cart where you want to migrate your data to, which of course is Shopify. So go ahead and enter your Shopify URL here. All right, so congratulations, you've connected this. Okay, that's fine. So connect your Shopify URL here. All right, and here now it says source cart connection methods. That's a connection bridge file is a connector that allows to link your source cart to your target and then ensure data transfer. So please follow the step-by-step instructions provided below to complete the process. So it means we're not done completing this process. And what is the process? Instructions for installing the connector bridge file. So download this. Once you've downloaded it, then unpack this and upload the folder to your store's root directly using PFP cPanel File Manager, and then verify the connection. So once you click on check connection, that's going to be it. So it seems like this app is going to give us some issues, but of course, you know, it's very easy if you just head over to App Store and then choose another store importer. So let's go ahead and click on another store importer, because that store importer seeming like it's going to give us some kind of issues. Okay, I think I should do that because it's already carrying ST here. So Omnicell eBay ST integration. Let's see, it has 14-day free trial, free plan available. So I'm just going to click on install to see what it looks like. So let's see if this is going to be better than the previous one we got. So we're back in Shopify. So top right corner, click on the install app so that this Omnicell will be integrated into Shopify. So this is Omnicell eBay. So this product center, push to channel, store management, pricing and setting. Let's head over to product center because we want to like push the product from Etsy to Shopify. So I clicked on that. So now it says to get started, please select the product source you want to connect, and then you can push product to the store later. So this is the product source. All right, so okay. All right, so this is your Shopify store. I actually want to connect my Etsy store. All right, so this is the product source I want to connect my Etsy store. So I'm going to leave Etsy here and then click on this connect button. So right here is your Etsy. So you're going to have to enter your Etsy details. Okay, so all right, so we're back to the Omnicell eBay. Heading on to product center, and then click on Etsy, and then click on connect. So here is a process that you have to go through to sign in. Click on sign in and ensure that your password is correct. So once you have connected your Etsy and you come over to product center again, you're now going to find Etsy. So Etsy will now be integrated into your Shopify store. So once you launch your store and then sellers, see products from your store, they'll be able to see the products that are in your Etsy store in your own store. So that's just pretty much the process. So ensure that you have a store already established on Etsy so that you can have a seamless connection experience. I hope this tutorial helped you search.